We started a trading school. Okay, the word school is very formal. It is too formal. It's not a school, but we started something. And I'm really happy about it. You know, it's a challenge that we are going to take on. But this is it. 25 people have put their trust in me to guide them through their trading journey. That is something huge, actually. It is very huge. Most of you can undermine that, but 25 traders out there in the world. They are split somewhere in South Africa, some in Nigeria, Kenya, Uganda, the UK. 25 people have entrusted me to guide them through their trading journey. This is what trading is. It is tough trading. Some days you make profits, other days you don't. And it gets tough, it gets very challenging. But in the last few months, I've been able to grasp a little bit of it. And I'm just excited that these people have chosen me. It's like being chosen to be able to guide them to victory, to success. And that is what the video is about. So we started a school. It's called Sancta Academy. That is the logo. Guys, go follow us on social media platforms. This is going to be huge. It is called Sancta Academy, and I'm going to explain it to you. Sancta, why I chose Sancta Academy. I've already had that name for a long time. The word Sancta is a Latin phrase. It means something that is holy. Yeah, something that is for God, right? And academy means, of course, academy. Therefore, Sancta Academy is the name of my trading group. It is where I'm going to mentor these 25. Why did I choose 25? Because 25 is manageable. It's not very big of a number. And yeah, it was just stuck in my head, the 25. That is why we went with 25. I know there are more people that wanted to be part of that group, but next time we shall take you on. Anyway, the number of people that came into the group, let me read for you. We have 5. Let us start. Sancta Academy cohort 1. Let me introduce them officially. We have 6 members from Kenya, some in Nairobi, some others in somewhere else. Then we have 5 members from Nigeria. All this is Africa. 4 members from Uganda, Kampala. 3 members from Ghana. 2 members from South Africa. 2 members from Rwanda. 1 member from Jamaica. This is South America, I think. 1 member from Namibia and 1 member from the United Kingdom. I think you have seen that. Those are the 25 chosen people that I'm going to mentor, and I'm going to give my all. It is going to, trust me, it is a long process. I hope we shall be able to display the 25 payouts. These members are going to trade. We are going to grind. It is a process. It is not an easy one, but I decided to take it on because I felt like it was a calling for me to help guide people do what I did. This is not going to stop me from trading my accounts. I'm going to guide them as they trade theirs, as I trade mine, and we shall all win. So there is something that I read. One member sent me a quote that stuck with me, and I'm going to read it right now. The quote stuck in my head. Let me look for it. So the quote was similar to this. It was like, one candle can light 1,000 others and still burn bright. So this meant that I've been able to get a few payouts. I could get others, God willing. And if I can help others do what I did, it won't mean that I'll not keep shining. My payouts will keep coming, and even other 25 will get payouts. That is the whole concept of this. That is why I was like, something clicked, and I'm like, wow, if God has given you this, I'm sure you can help others to achieve. So a few things about Sancta Academy. Guys, go follow us on all social media platforms. But a few things about Sancta Academy is it's a free group. It is a free course. I maxed it at 25 because I didn't want it to go astray, but it is totally free. I'm going to be putting in my time. It's like something of charity or something, giving back to community. But they will appreciate when they get payouts. I'm sure they will come back and they will be part of the the whole big picture of Sancta Academy, because there are things that I've planned for this. It's sort of an NGO actually. It is not a profit-based thing. It is just a friendship, I've planned a lot of things, but I don't want to put them out there. Maybe people will copy me. But even if anybody copies, it is part of life. We exist by making others better. I think that is the principle of life, and it's exciting. The group is made of enthusiastic traders who want to make their lives better, who want to achieve financial freedom, and of course we all wish that on everybody. It is that simple of a principle. Help them get payouts and they'll appreciate later. So that is the basic principle that I'm following. But I'm very, very excited about this opportunity. I'm over the moon to be able to help people. I know you guys are many, but let us first take this on. And of course, the journey is going to be displayed here on YouTube. Of course, I'll keep them private. They don't want to be put out there. But this is going to work out, and it is going to be huge. If you're a prop farm out there and you would want to support Sancta Academy, you would want these students to become your clients, it's possible. Just reach out to us. The email is in the bio. Let us know how you would wish to support us, and we shall get back to you. Anyway, I'm very, very excited, and I just wanted to come out here and update the YouTube community, because all my journey since I started trading is on here on YouTube. Most of my subscribers know the first payout I got, because I put all stuff here. The first payout, the second, and they will know the other ones until I feel tired of sharing. That's how transparent I'm trying to be. I'm not trying to get people to get into this academy. No, it's full 25, and let us see how it will turn out over the next few weeks. But I'm very, very excited, and I'm happy for those that were able to get in time. It was based on first come first serve at the moment. It is called cohort 1. I'm already communicating with the students, so if I'm not communicating with you, you be ready for cohort 2. And basically that is it. Nothing else to say, but thank you guys for always watching. And if you're a trader out there, of course I'll keep on shouting out to the people in our Telegram group. I'll leave the link here, just the public Telegram group where most of the communication is done there before it comes out on YouTube. So Thank you to the people that are always participating, asking questions in the Telegram group. You guys are fantastic. And those that have subscribed and are watching the videos, more payouts are coming. If you're trading, take it slow. Be calm. Trust your strategy that you trade, and payouts will come. Because financial freedom is something that I can address the whole day. So I just want to thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for believing in us, and thank you for actually trying to be a trader, because nobody thanks us for trying to be a trader, but you're in the 1% who are trying to secure financial freedom. You're not trying to be extravagant in spending. You're not trying to be the richest man on the planet, but you're trying to live a comfortable life, to support your family, support your little brothers and sisters, support your parents, and no one thanks you for that. But I take this opportunity to thank you for trying to trade. Do not give up. Giving up is not an option in trading. You lose today, you wake up tomorrow, because at some point you're going to win, and you won't even remember the times you blew accounts and cried. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. It has officially begun, Sancta Academy. Follow us on all social media platforms. We have the Academy up and running: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. You never know, you could win yourself something. So the prop firms, come out, give people free accounts. Do also support us, support the Academy, and yeah, it's a win-win for everybody. Thank you very much. Peace out. Bye.